कैसे हो दोस्तों? आज जानते हैं छठ पूजा के बारे में कुछ विशेष। तो देन लेट्स बिगिन। Chhat Puja is an ancient Hindu Vedic festival celebrated majorly in Bihar. On the day of this festival, people offer their gratitude to the sun god by gathering at the banks of the holy river, the Ganges. After a dip in the holy waters, they offer their prayers to God while performing important festival rituals. People sing traditional songs, make Mahaprasad, and complete their fast by offering evening and morning Arghya to Lord Sun. All the family members take part in the Arghya and show their devotion to Suryadev. It is one of Bihar's biggest festivals where thousands of devotees participate in the sacred traditional festivities. People can be seen having fun as devotional songs are played and folk dances are performed to light up the overall celebration. As per Hindu religious books, Chhat was observed by the Pandava brother and their common wife Draupadi during the time of exile in Mahabharata. It is believed that Draupadi was quite worried and unhappy for some grave reason. Therefore, to absolve her of the suffering, she was advised to pray to sun god and observe Chhat Puja. Draupadi did as advised, and soon her wishes were granted and problems were solved. The five brothers also got their lost kingdom back. There's another story involving Lord Rama and goddess Sita. It is said Sita prayed to the sun god and observed a fast after returning home from 14 years exile. From that day, devotees started Chhat Puja and it became an important Hindu festival. हैप्पी छठ पूजा टू ऑल ऑफ यू। कीप एंजॉइंग। अगर ये वीडियो थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा लगा है, इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर थोड़ा सा भी अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक ज़रूर कर देना और सब्सक्राइब भी छठ पूजा का नाम पे। एंड कीप एंजॉइंग। थैंक यू।